These are the B-post strip panels for the Austin Healey BN4 106. These are for the very early 106 BN4 model, so it's chassis number 68,959 or before. Always worth double checking because they weren't exactly consistent from the factory originally. So they are layered hardboard. There's 3 layers of hardboard, which is then tapered round to create this curve around here, as you can see. And they are trimmed. These are in vinyl, bright red vinyl. We can also do these in leather. If we supply them in leather, then we would thin this part down on our in-house leather skiving machine to make a nice neat finish. But they're basically trimmed on, no foam or anything like that, trimmed all the way around using a contact adhesive and staples as well. So a pair of those per set.